Kublai shibun ipi barok ki parlok ki bijupe igene ke channel na kapor shakapor. Hakane ke video ngidan banwan ra ipi ya ki kam ki balai. Hapok ka Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department. Tiki don shibun bah ki post ki balai. Hapok ki district ki badai po jong ka Meghalaya. Tela da don kino ki bukwa aban apply. Na ke bentai kini ki post ki balai po jong ka ka office. Nga kerpan ipi page igene ke video na du pastangan rupan tukun. Nang bapin tip ki eki kerdan pule ki badan kam nang bentak kene ke post bat kam tam akabai dei bat kumno ke ban apply teki berang thamai kene ke channel ro sumba benda subscribe nang bapin yo kicing pentip ki bidei bat ki kam ki balai apo ki district paper ki badan apo Meghalaya ka Government of Meghalaya Food Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department ka court application na kebentai ki candidate banlong ki member po jong ke District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission ha benta na bentai kini ki district ki badan kini ki post ki balai apo jong ke East Khasi District Shillong artli ki post West Khasi District artli ki post Ribuhai District artli ki post West Jaintia Hills artli ki post East Garo Hill Kawai ki post West Garo Hill artli ki post but South Garo Hill artli ki post Karta kalong Pimdei benduna na ka live sansnem te kabumut ba karta kalong live sansnem shaneng ki kerdan pule badan kam ki candidate pide bendan ya ka kerdan pule ke baidei bat ka bachelor degree ka beli thu da ka university but candidate de benlong a person of ability, integrity, and standing, and having a special knowledge and profession experience of not less than 15 years in consumer affairs, law, public affairs, administration, economic, commerce, industries, finance, management, engineering, technology, public health, or medicine. Ka experience kedai adu khatsan snam hakineki department aneki office baper te kene ke post ka long ka kam he kendian te pide bendan ya ki experience akabai dei bat kine ki department bat ro kalong khat sansnem ka experience. The applicant upon the selection for the member of the district commission shall have tenure of 4 years or up to the age of 65 years, which is earlier. Application may be submitted in attached format to the office of the Deputy Commissioner in the district concerned on or before the 28th March 2026. No person who do not fulfill the above criteria need not apply. Te hangne la ailang bat kene ka application form te download ya kene ka advertisement ngin sabu apo jong ka comment section jong kene ka video ya kene ka advertisement bat ro ya ka link ka bapian apply te page bah hangne kila ai hangne application may be submitted in attached format to the office of the Deputy Commissioner in district concerned te phi hab ni submit ha ki district jong ineki district ba light hangne chubu la da dei ka district Ribuhai district phi hab lek bu apo jong DC Ribuhai district komta te la da don kino ki bukwa aban apply no kloi kelas date ke de hedu ka arpu pratrik benai match arajar ar ndreu ka por kadang dan te kino ki bedan yikini ki kerdan pule adu khat sans nem ka experience ka bai dei bat kini ki department te kene ke video ngidan ban won ra ipi tang kini ki jing pentem Kublai shibun.